In this project, I will be demonstrating how to build a theft alarm system using the Lita network and robotic expansion board and some other few components, which are ultrasonic sensor, jumper wires, buzzer, battery holder, batteries, and JST connectors. So normally, the first thing to do is to insert your Arduino Nano into the expansion board, which is already connected as usual. Then you need to connect your jumper wires to the ultrasonic sensor pins like this. We are done with the connection. Then this is, you can see, this is VCC 3 Echo and GND. So I will be connecting the yellow wire is my VCC. On the board here, you can see ultrasonic. You can see V T7 means 3 connected to pin 7, E8 means echo connected to pin 8, and G means GND. So this is my VCC connected to V. Then the second pin is trig, which is the other color. I connect it. Then the other pin is echo, which is the red. I connect the echo pin here to E8. And then the last pin is GND. I connect it to G. So if you look at it very well, you can see we are done with our connections, right? So the next thing is to connect our GST, because when we power through the external source here, it's going to pass through here. So all the devices that are here will be powered apart from this, which will mostly connect our LEDs. And since after writing the program, after uploading, we are going to remove the cable, the nano will not be powered. So we need to power the nano. And this cable is the one that will transfer the current from here, or voltage from here, to power the Arduino Nano. So we need to connect the JSC connector here and then connect it here. You see. So the next one is to connect our ultrasonic sensor. So this is our positive and our negative. If you are using the other type of buzzer, this is actually a buzzer. So if you are using the other type of buzzer that has two pins, then you check, you will see where is you will see the positive and the negative. So you can use wires to that connection. So for this, I will connect this particular wire, the positive, to pin D9, and I will connect the black one to G, which is our negative. We are done with the connection. Our ultrasonic sensor, our buzzer that will give the alarm, our sensor that will detect an object when an object comes close to at a particular distance. So the next thing is to connect our batteries. Then if you're using a 9-volt battery, it's fine. If you're using this type of battery, it's still fine. Like this. When you want to power, ensure that you check the labeling. Here you see in the middle you see GND. Do not power through the first pin where you see VCC. Power it through, connect your GND here and then connect your positive here. So where you see 5V. So I will connect it like this. Though you will need a screwdriver, I will connect it like this. Negative go to GND in the middle. And then you screw it. And then positive is connected to where you see 5V out here. Then you screw it. You see, you can see that our nano is also powered. When I remove this cable, the lights, this light will go off and the nano will go off. This is an indicator to show that power is coming into this particular side. You see, it's off. Once light turn on, it means that power has entered. You see. So that is why we need the JST connector. So I'm going to unscrew this to disconnect the power. So when you are done writing your program, you can test it. We continue with the demonstration of the theft detector system or theft detector alarming system. We have done the connection already, and so far I have already written the code and the code has been uploaded. I just want to show you part of the code. So you can see this is our theft detection code. Now we have already uploaded the code. I just want to demonstrate how it works. I will just connect this, connect the battery. So this is our buzzer. So at distance less than 25, it will give an alarm. You see? Distance less than 25. Okay, let me come through here. So this is a theft detector system.